Hey, we know that when you're getting a new roof, it can be a taxing time, it can be a bit confusing. So here at Big Time Roofing, we want to make it as simple as possible. So in today's video, we're going to answer the top 7 questions that we hear from our clients, from our consumers the most. That's both in-home and online. So let's get started. The first one, how long does a roof replacement normally take? Well, it depends on a couple of things, right? So how steep is your roof, how large is your roof, and what type of materials. But on average, the normal roof takes 1 day. If it's a very large roof, very steep roof, it could take up to 2 days. Number 2, how do we protect your yard and your home? Well, Big Time Roofing has a system that's called the catch-all. It's really cool. It's basically a huge skirt that goes around your house. It leans up at about a 60-degree angle. It's got house nets and ground nets. So we found the best way to stop nails and debris from ever getting into your yard is to never let them touch your yard to begin with. So we installed the catch-all system. What time do you get started is normally the third question that we hear. And we normally get started at about 7 to 7:30. We got to get started really early if we want to get done in 1 day. And during the summer, it's cool in the morning, so you want to get as much done as possible before you get to that afternoon heat. Number 4 is when will the materials and dumpster arrive? Well, the day before the build, we deliver all the materials and the dumpster if we are using a dumpster. We also sometimes use a dump trailer, depending on how busy we are and the availability of our dump trailer. But if we are going to be delivering a dumpster, it will be the day before, same as materials. What type of payments do you accept is number 5. And Big Time Roofing accepts all types of payments. So cash, check, ACH bank transfer, and credit card. We also offer financing, and the financing is actually paid to us directly, so you guys don't even have to worry about that. Number 6, what type of shingles do you recommend? So as you can see behind us, we install GAF roofing products. This is actually the Timberline HDZ. It's the top of the line shingle. We recommend that you go with the Timberline Natural Shadow, which is just the general 30-year architectural, or you go with the Timberline HGZ, which is what we highly recommend. It's the one with the 50-year limited lifetime warranty, so it's a really great product for not that much in price difference. And number 7, the last one, is what type of warranties are offered? So here at Big Time Roofing, we are a GAF certified contractor, so we can offer you that upgraded warranty. The shingle and accessories warranty comes with just your standard shingle, the natural shadow I was just speaking about. The Timberline HDZ makes you available for the System Plus warranty, which comes with manufacturer's protection for labor and materials for 50 years, and it's not prorated. In-house, as far as workmanship warranties go, the Big Time Bronze system comes with a 5-year Big Time workmanship warranty, and the Big Time Silver and Gold system come with a 10-year Big Time workmanship warranty. So those are the top 7 questions that we get asked the most. We hope this helps you a little bit, gets you a little bit more educated on the process, and we're looking forward to moving forward and working with you guys.